What if messages could cross continents faster than ever imagined, centuries before email? The Mongol Empire's legendary YAM, or postal system, made this possible. Established by Genghis Khan, the YAM spanned thousands of miles, with relay stations placed every 25-40 kilometers. Couriers on swift mounts changed horses at each station, carrying vital news, orders, and intelligence. This network let information travel up to 200 miles a day, uniting a vast empire and shaping global history through communication and speed.